How can I help you?
Oggs invented the wheel, and we want to know how to get a patent on it. And how much that will cost.
The wheel. Is this some kind of joke? This is the wheel? This is the moment that revolutionizes civilization when the actual inventors of the wheel come to their patent attorney seeking intellectual property protection?
I guess so.
Don't worry. This is just for posterity. We won't create a bar date.
Bar date?
I'll explain later. Before we get back to your questions about how to get a patent and how much it'll cost, let's talk about the different types of intellectual property and the ways you can protect them. First, what is intellectual property? Intellectual property is your ideas, your creative efforts, like your idea of the wheel. Or a song you compose. Or a picture you draw. Or a book you write. Intellectual property in its general sense is different from, say, real estate.
This is not intellectual property.
It's also different from personal property.
This is not intellectual property.
So you see, you can't touch intellectual property in a physical sense, but nonetheless, it can still be specifically identified, characterized, owned, and protected. There are many ways to protect intellectual property, such as under the laws of trademark, trade dress, copyrights, trade secrets, contracts, and patents. And one product may even be protected by all of the forms. The best way to protect your invention of the wheel is with a patent. Patents are used to protect all types of inventions: chemical, biotech, electrical, mechanical, and software, as well as designs and plans. Each type of intellectual property protection is different from the other. Each type of intellectual property protection has different requirements for development and maintenance, and makes available a different set of rights. Software is an example of a product that can be protected by all of the forms of intellectual property protection. Software code is written in a software language and is stored on a couple of disks in this box. Software code can be protected in the following ways: copyright, patent, trade secret, a large man named Mustafa. Wait a minute, that shouldn't be there. There's only 3 ways: copyrights, patents, trade secrets. The product's name and identifying logo are protectable under trademark law. In addition to trademark protection, the box can be protected by copyright and trade dress law. The wording of the sales information and the graphics of the box are protectable under copyright law. Some people might think that the look of the box as a whole is protectable under trade dress law. Finally, the contract included inside the box is also intended to protect the product under contract law.